Hello Zikers! Are you thinking of starting dropshipping on eBay, but you don't know exactly where to get started? Well, no worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you do in order to have a successful dropshipping store on eBay. So let's go. So what is dropshipping? Well, according to eBay, Dropshipping, also known as product sourcing, is when you buy stock from a supplier and work with them to send items directly to your buyers without ever handling them yourself. There's a large variety of dropshipping methods like arbitrage, wholesale, and so on. But the easiest dropshipping is retail dropshipping. Retail dropshipping is a method by which you use existing inventory from retailers you work with and advertise it on eBay at a higher price for profit. This method is the most popular today and the easiest to perform. It usually does not require you to have any initial financial investment at all and allows you to make money from day one. So let's go ahead and make this simple and go step by step of the particular things you need. I won't go on for hours here. I want to make this easy for you. If by the end of this video you have questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you. The steps we need to go through to start dropshipping on eBay are: 1. Open an email account for this store. Under this email account, you will open a PayPal account, Payoneer, and of course, an eBay account. 2. In the second stage, you will want to check that all of your settings are in place. The payment method is defined and we are ready to list our product first. The setting is the right policies that we can see on the policy page. Payment policy: how we get paid. Return policy: how much time we approve returns. And shipment: how much time is our handling days and how much time the delivery. 3. Join our channel, learn about market research with our videos, and start compiling your first product list. 4. After you make some sales, it is very important to place the highest level of attention on the customer service you provide and on complying with all policies you have set for your store. 5. After you know how to manage your store, handle sales, give good customer service, it's time to decide if you want to make this business a side income or your primary income and extend to more stores. Bonus tip. Now, I highly recommend Zeek Analytics. One of the main secrets to sell well on eBay is to do strong market research. There are so many great features: product research, competitors research, title builder, and more. It offers everything you need to build a selling machine on eBay. Take advantage of it today. The link is in the description. Let's move on. I would like to give 3 tips for anyone starting a dropshipping journey. Now, this is all coming from personal experience. So tip number 1, do not be afraid to try. It is very important to always try and learn new things, evolve, and that way you will be successful quickly. 2, do not give up. The competition is very high sometimes. The work can be exhausting, but remember that only those who really invested and persevered and learned along their failures reach the top. 3, do not stop learning. Even with us on this page, on the website, and in a variety of places. Always learn and know what your next step is. So now for you, the people who have stores up and running and you're not quite sure what products to upload, be sure to hit the notification bell on our channel because we give you product ideas on a monthly basis. And if you found this video helpful and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel because we have many more like these.